Alright guys, what is up? Me and Cordell are here, and we are going to go back up there. I don't know why, but anyways, we're going back up there. Trust me guys, it's gonna be fun. Maybe be like a 20-minute video, I don't know. Maybe. I'm glad y'all liked the last video. But yeah, that's where we're going right now. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
We haven't made a video in a while, but I feel a little busy this time to do it now. Well, we're eating guys right now. We're on our way up in forest. Hold on guys. Guys, I'm back. We are right here by the entrance of the woods. We're gonna take a break because we're eating our food. And then we'll get to videoing, which has anytime soon. Oh, frick. Really freaking good.
No light?
Who cooked it?
My mom.
Heck yeah. Well, thank you for 5 views on our last video. It may not seem like a lot, but it does, especially for us having 5 videos. It was pretty nice to get that amount. Let's see if we can hit at least 20 views on this video. Big upgrade, but I know we can do it. And guys, while you're at it, subscribe, hit the bell, and like. Because our goal is to hit 10 subscribers. So far, it may seem stupid, but we're at 0. Because I don't think we're putting enough time into our videos. So we're going to do it now. But this needs barbecue sauce.
I think it needs ketchup or ranch.
Yeah. Guys, what do you prefer? Put it in the comments. Barbecue sauce, ketchup, or ranch?
Spicy ranch too.
Oh my gosh. And spicy ranch.
I love spicy ranch.
Yeah. We're up in the woods right now. Cool. Right, tell him I said like right on the line, like where it just starts out. Like right behind his house.
By the fences, up by where those horses are?
No, yeah, but not too close to him. We're like maybe 30 feet away from it. We're sitting down right now.
Some of those woods or anything like that.
What'd you say?
You cannot cross that fence or go up into the woods. That's trespassing, and
I know that ain't what we do. We just sit on the line of the woods. Don't say anything.
Okay.
There's like this tree that fell over, and we sit on it like a bench. And after that, we usually go up to another broken tree and walk on it. Love you.
Love you.
We'll hang out in a bit. Surprised he didn't ask what I'm eating. Ain't you?
Mm-hmm.
Better hope me eating the whole time. Alright guys, if you are wondering, this is my walkie-talkie. Because I don't feel like walking home every day. I spent $200 on this thing. It has a 16-mile range. And I haven't got a sponsorship yet, but let's sponsor ONN. ONN. They are literally one of the best brands in the world. Literally. You can get TVs from them, all phones from them, walkie-talkies like I have. And oh my gosh, it is amazing. But let's quit talking about that and get back to the woods.
Shivy, shivy, shoo shot.
Alright guys, so we're on our way up right now. We kind of got to watch out because the snake season. And another thing we got to do about this channel is we need somebody to talk more. And it's this guy behind me, right here. He don't talk a lot. He just sits there. So you need to talk out louder for him. Because I don't think it's right for just me to be talking. Or you to be holding the phone, because it ain't my channel. It's me and yours. Right now, guys, we're by the bones. Thank you, YouTube, by the way, for not canceling that video. I appreciate it. That was very nice of you all. I cut my leg again, guys. Second time in a row. We're on the tree, what we call the nutbaker. There's like, if y'all haven't noticed, there's like a little step right there to climb up. But yeah, so far 8 minutes in. Appreciate it. If y'all help us hit 50, that's just even better. We can live stream. Y'all know what live streaming means. Cordell will tell you. Tell them.
They should know.
I'm pretty sure they know. Y'all get to see us live. Get to talk to us while we're live. It's gonna be fun, guys. If y'all help us, trust me, it'll be fun. We'll do all that type of fun stuff. We can do like interviewing, where we interview our chat and stuff. This is probably the farthest we'll get right here. We're probably gonna go back down, do like a hiking / biking video. Hey, alright. We're on the nutbaker right now. I kind of wanted to break it. Ooh. Yeah, I knew the nutbaker was a bad thing. Drop the branch. Ah! Guys, this tree is not as sturdy as you all think it is. Well, he just broke our little handle we got. But thank God, now it's like a nutbaker 2.0. Yeah, but try breaking it. Just don't fall. Oh yeah, keep pulling. Oh yeah. Don't got nothing to worry about now. Check it out, guys. He broke it off for us. Now we can walk safely without falling and walking around that stupid freaking thing. Right now we're running down the tree. Actually running. Like literally. We're on our way back down. We're gonna do biking now. Cause we might like hiking through the woods every now and then for a little walk. But you know, guys, we gotta do some biking. We only have done 2 biking videos and like 3 normal hiking videos. I don't get how Cordell's walking. Probably because he don't have shorts on. I'm a dummy and like to wear shorts all day. You know, gotta stay cool. Stay hydrated too, guys. We're on the edge. If you're, whenever we get old enough, maybe like 18, what we'll do is if we hit like 70,000 subscribers, we'll do like a thing where we meet our followers in person, which says this ain't anytime soon, because we're like, how old are you, 10?
Mm-hmm.
He's 10 and I'm turning 13, and yes, we're on our way back down right now. Here's our view. We got the Appalachian Mountains by us and around us. Right now we're on our way back down to the house, get the bike, and yeah, we're gonna ride bikes. I right now don't got a bike, not until a long way. I don't get why we were walking towards their house, but I right now don't have a bike because the money ain't something that you can always have in this planet. But guys, I'm gonna pause it right here for a minute. I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, guys, what is up? I'm back. We're sitting on the porch right now. Well, I am. He has to use the bathroom, so I'm just sitting here, and I'm gonna talk to my mom for a minute. Hold on, I forgot what I was even gonna ask her. What you doing, Mom? Hey, Mom, what are you doing? Where's she at? Hey, ask Dad, what he has new parts on his new vehicle he got.
Hunter, wait till you get home, man.
Okay, I just wanted to ask. Oh, hi guys. I'm gonna pause it again. I'll see y'all in about 2-ish minutes. Alright guys, I'm back. Right now we're just sitting on the porch chilling, and we were talking. Come in, Cordell. Right now, just chilling, drinking pop. No, this whole thing ain't mine. Why are you looking at me like that? See, watch. I'll prove it that it ain't mine. What do you think he is? Do you think he's him or something?
What the heck are you doing?
Oh, frick. Drink it. I just filled his whole pop-up. It's like over. And now, guys, actually, we're going to end the video here, and we are going to do a chugging challenge video. What y'all think about that?
Good.
Hey. Alright, see y'all in the next video. Peace out.